Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video I'll be showing you how to turn a TikTok video into a YouTube short, and it's really a easy process. Although it might take a long time, but just follow me on this one. It's pretty simple. So first of all, let's head over to TikTok and find the video that we want to share to our YouTube account. So just click on the share button, which is this arrow, and just click on save video. And what it does is just saves the video to your gallery. So like here I have the video now on my gallery. Now what you need to do is head over to your YouTube app and just click on the plus button down here. Click on create a short. Then just give YouTube access to your camera, microphone, and later on just give it access to your photos or your photo album. Click on this this little icon over here and allow it. Now just click on the video that you want to upload, and now you're gonna be given the the option to trim it to whatever size you want, or even add some text. So yeah, after you click on done, it's gonna take a while to process, and then click on done, and now it's gonna send you back here. But don't worry, if you don't want to add any more content, just click on check and just go back to the video and just finalize everything. Add the sound, add a text, fix the timeline or whatever. Just click on done and then just add details. Just put a caption to make it to get more views out of it. Make sure you just put hashtag shorts or hashtag anything that's related to it. Change the visibility or whatever, and then all you need to do now is just wait for it to upload and it should be fine. That is how you change a TikTok video. Use a TikTok video and then upload it onto your YouTube shorts. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.